Hi, thanks for joining us at theta360.guide. This is a short test clip from a 11-hour video. It was actually 10 hours and 55 minutes. This is for surveillance purposes, so the bit rate encoding, the frames per second, and the resolution is a bit lower than we would get with a normal Theta V camera. The purpose is to show surveillance of either wildlife or factory settings for a long period of time. It's just a single button press. There was no fancy equipment. It's just the Theta V. You will need to power it from a battery if you want to record it for 11 hours. You can also plug it into a wall socket. A mobile phone charger will also work. The idea is that you might want to just place the camera on a tripod in some place and then observe the wildlife or changes to the area over time. It would also be great for factory automation, where you're trying to see where the bottlenecks are in your flow, or if you wanted to do surveillance of a building to analyze foot traffic. The primary advantage of this is that it's more convenient. With the plugin, once the plugin is loaded, you just press the shutter button and it'll start the recording. If you press the shutter button again, the recording will stop. If the video size exceeds the maximum storage of the camera, it will automatically stop the video. So you don't have to monitor it. You can just pick it up in the morning or come back at the end of the day, as long as nobody steals your camera. This clip is jerky because of the low frame rate. However, for surveillance purpose, it should be fine. If you want the full frame rate at 30 frames per second, there's a couple of other plugins that can extend the time past 25 minutes. You'll also get much better resolution if you use still images in a time-lapse format. So you could trigger the camera to take a picture every 4 seconds. If you save the picture in dual fisheye, you could actually take it every 1 second. This video clip is taking a much lower resolution video, but it's taking at about 10 frames per second. So it'll be easier to analyze the movement of animals or foot traffic at that rate. The source code for this and 3 other plugins is available on GitHub. There's also an active discussion about it, so you can join theta360.guide, go to the community section, and you can get a bunch of information, also how to edit the videos afterwards or use the other 2 plugins. Hope to see you there. Thanks.